Hey everyone, want to open an Etsy shop but don't want to pay listing fees? Right away in this video, I will show you exactly how to get free listings in 2025. Whether you are brand new or already selling, let's dive in. Etsy normally charges 20 cents USD, 20 cents per listing, which renews every 4 months. But did you know you can get up to 40 free listings just for signing up through a referral link? When you sign up using a referral link from another Etsy seller, both you and that seller get 40 free listings. These are added to your account once your shop is created and a listing is published. Simple referral link, screenshot of 40 listings credited. So here's exactly how to get those listings. Step 1, find a referral link or use the one in the video description. Click it and create your new It's a shop, complete setup, shop setup, and add the name, language, currency. Or open it's.com slash sell. Then click get started. Select your category like t-shirt. Select physical item and follow the process. Then click save and continue. Then select variations type like primary color, black, secondary color blue, size US letter, type search S R M L, and select your sleeve length, sleeveless or short, long sleeve. You can add text like black, good style, etc. Then materials, add materials, then click the save and continue. Then add shipping option, enter origin zip code, processing time, etc. Your free listings won't expire until used, and every time someone signs up with your referral link, you get 40 more. After your shop is set up, here's how to get your referral link. Go to itsy.com. Now click on your profile icon, select gift or invite a friend or visit its referral link page. Copy your link and share it on YouTube, social media, or with friends. Common questions. Can I stack referral credits? Yes. Every time someone signs up using your link and lists a product, you get 40 more. Do listings expire? Yes. All listings expire after 4 months unless they sell or renew. Can I use multiple referral links? No. You only get free links the first time you open a shop and only once per account. Here are some strong reasons why it say is great platform in 2025. Basic in traffic, it say has millions of monthly visitors, meaning you don't have to build your own website or generate traffic from scratch. Low startup costs. You can start selling with as little as $0 using referral links for free listings. No monthly subscription needed at first. Customers are looking especially for handmade, vintage, and custom products. Then user-friendly setup, global reach, integrated tools, community and support, seller forums. It's a help center and active YouTube Reddit communities makes learning easy. And that's how get free its listings in 2025. No tricks, just smart strategy. If this helped, like this video, drop a comment and don't forget to grab your referral link down below. Happy selling. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.